Protect your floors effortlessly with the Camco washing machine drain pan. Designed to catch leaks before they cause damage, this pan sits securely under your washing machine, offering peace of mind every time you do laundry. What sets this drain pan apart is its durable construction. Made from injection molded, no-break plastic, it resists cracks and wear, ensuring long-lasting protection. Plus, it comes in a sleek graphite color that blends well with most laundry room setups. Installation is straightforward thanks to pre-formed cut lines that let you customize the pan for bottom or side outlet drainage. The package includes a 1-inch, 1.5-inch PVC drain fitting, lock nut, and washer, so you have everything you need to set it up quickly and securely. Measuring 30 inches by 32 inches on the outside and 27 inches by 30 inches on the inside, this pan fits most standard washing machines, including front loaders with bases. It's made right here in the USA, reflecting quality and reliability you can trust. Users praise its no-fuss setup and durability. One reviewer highlights how the pan simply sits in place without tearing or ripping, even under a front loader. It's a hassle-free solution that does exactly what it promises: protect your floors from water damage. If you're looking for an easy, effective way to prevent costly floor repairs from washing machine leaks, this drain pan is worth a look. It gives you a simple, reliable barrier that catches drips and spills before they become a problem. Ready to safeguard your laundry area with a product that combines strength, ease of use, and smart design? Try the Camco washing machine drain pan when you're ready to protect your floors and enjoy laundry days without worry.